Good morning. It's an absolutely beautiful fall day here in Kentucky. So I'm going to be decorating our front porch on our farmhouse for fall today. So come along and I'll show you how I do it. First thing I'm gonna do is just get all the summer flowers out of the pots, and then my mums that I have over here, I will put those into the pots next. Now, the best thing about decorating the front porch when you actually live on a farm is that you don't have to buy much. I did buy those giant pumpkins and the mums, but other than that, everything you'll see that I put on my front porch is just random junk from our farm. So let's get to it. Okay, got all the mums planted. Now I'm gonna go get some stuff from the barn. Up first, we'll get some hay bales. I know our barn is absolutely trashed, so don't look at any of that. But here's some hay bales. I'm gonna get 2 of these for the front porch. All right, we got 2. Now we're going over here to the garden so that I can get some old corn stalks, which they're looking a little puny because of the nasty storm that just came through. And there's some pumpkins over there too. Okay, now let's put the hay bales on the porch and put it all together. And it's done. I love how it turned out. Elias actually put the rocking chairs there, and I think it's really cute. I've never included the rocking chairs in the decor, but I'll show you everything. Got it done and it looks beautiful. I also decorated the inside of our house for fall, and I did a little video about that on our YouTube channel as well. So I will link that video in the description if you guys want to watch that. Otherwise, that is it. I hope everyone has a wonderful fall.